then there are some families, even now, where if they see that the children is behaving in a different way, and I guess at various level, a child or a person exhibits the symptoms, like all of a sudden they will stop eating or they will overeat a lot. But the family, the parents, they often say that they compare their child and they're like, you're not like the one, you're not like our neighbor's son, you're not like our neighbor's daughter. And I think that is not included even in the family system, because they see that child is very different, that मेरे बच्चे को कुछ अलग हो गया है, and he is sick or she is sick, he is not normal.
Very sad thing also. It's a very sad thing because parents who acknowledge it and do something, it's a very complex kind of a system also, because they don't have the available resources to address it. Like, I'll give you an example. There was this autistic, it was my friend's child. She's not my friend anymore though. And he was autistic and exhibited, just because someone is autistic does not mean the sexual development doesn't happen, right? And they're not aware. They think that no, bacha hi hai, but the child is 14 years old and things like that. And I really went and explained, like, these things are there because he was getting in trouble in school and stuff and things like that. I said, you need to socialize him, you need to do that. But no, they're in denial, they can't see. They have been, so that again, parenting and counseling parents of such children, first is denial. They have a mental picture that they have to protect this child from anything. My child can do no wrong. Any kind of criticism, anything pointing a finger, like, they see it not as something to heal, but denial में चले जाते हैं, नहीं मेरे कैसे wrong नहीं हो सकता है, anything to do with the mind. And if as I said, the credibility is pointed out on, and most of the shame the mother has to carry, is rarely the father, and even the relatives and stuff blame the mother as well. So in order to avoid the humiliation and the outcasting of things, because if you're different, you will not be invited into social gatherings, you will be kept aside, and that exclusion and all of those aspects. In order to avoid that pain, people tend to become they want to deny things. They're like, no, it is okay, it's perfectly normal, because they don't want to reduce the opportunities that the child might be getting or they themselves may be getting. So it's a very complex system in that sense as well.